So this is a cap kit done on a Wurlitzer Jukebox 530, and the schematic is a 532. So this works for the 530. So there's all the caps installed, and the resistors, some of the resistors have been changed on this side. If we go to this side, some of these resistors in here have been changed because they were out of tolerance. The power resistor was bad, and that's the 1.6K, I think, part of it. And then the 9K is that one there. So it replaced this guy. So that mounted up nice in there for the 9K. Went with a 20-watt resistor. And then these two tubes were replaced because the 6L6s, they were not matched pairs. So I got a matched pair for those. And yeah, seems to play nicely. So iPod here. So there's the rebuild. Thanks for watching.